Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. In today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a food staple that a lot of people kind of miss. Now everyone stocks up to get their, we got our rice and we got our beans. I go, good, what type of beans you got? Oh, we got kidney beans and we got some black beans and we got chili beans. But a lot of people forget the lowly white bean or navy bean. Now, these are a little bit more versatile and they're less noticeable because they're smaller. So if you have kids that don't like the big old kidney beans, make sure you got some of the navy beans or white beans so that you can get that protein into the meal and not have the kids going, hey, yuck. Because, hey, if they're getting their protein, they're going to be healthier and better off.